In this lesson, we're going to learn how to create a database and table in SQL Server Management Studio. This is Object Explorer of Management Studio, and first let's create a database. To create a database, we need to expand Object Explorer. Go right-click on Folder Databases and click first option, New Database. Here we need to specify name of database and click OK button. Now you can see that we have new created database with the name testDB. After created database, I'm going to show you how to create a new table in existing database. First, we need to expand the database. Go right-click on Folder Tables and go New Table. This is page where we add columns for a specific table. When we add columns, we need to specify column name, data type of column, and also we need to specify is that column nullable or is not nullable. If we check this checkbox here, that means column is nullable, and when we add a new row inside the table or update row, we can save empty value for that column. But if checkbox is unchecked, that means a column is not nullable and we need to insert some value for that column. First column I'm gonna add is ID column. Data type is integer. And I'm gonna uncheck this checkbox. Next, for this column, we need to add a primary key. And to add a primary key, go right-click on ID column and click first option, Set Primary Key. We use primary keys to uniquely identify each row inside the table, and the primary keys must contain unique values. For ID column, also we need to specify identity specification and set is identity option to yes. We double click. When we set is identity option to yes, that means ID column is auto increment, and in that case SQL Server will automatically add value for this column when we insert a new row inside the table. Okay, next column I'm gonna add is name column. And data type for this column is nvarchar. When we use this type, this data type, that means we can insert any character like letters or numbers, and with number inside parentheses we specify how many characters we can insert for that column. Next, I'm gonna add this last name column. And data type is also nvarchar. Next column is age column. And data type is integer. Okay, now let's save table. And to save table, go right click on this tab and click Save Table. Here we need to specify name of table. and click OK button. And now if we expand folder tables and refresh folder tables, you can see that we have new created table with the name TBL persons. Okay, now we can insert some values for this table, and we can use designer. To achieve that, go right click on the table and click this fourth option. Okay, now I'm gonna add some values for these columns. Okay, now we have added two rows inside the table, and you can notice that I didn't insert value for ID column because previously I specified that column is auto increment, and SQL Server automatically added value for this column. Okay, that's all for this lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.